We are waking up to a beautiful morning. It's a little cool. I think the low last night was 32, but the sun is coming up and warming things up. But this is the view I'm waking up to this morning. Really awesome spot. Loving it here. The wind seems to die down a little bit, but it is a little breezy and brisk. And I had a good night last night, although I was woken up a few times during the night. I had something crawling on the van. I've only had this a couple times before, and I think those previous times it was just like mice or rodents. But last night it was enough to actually shake the van. I could hear something crawling on the roof, and I tried to get up and shine my light around, but it was just too dark and cold. But so I'm getting up this morning, and I thought I'd take a look on top of the roof. And I did notice some footprints. I'm going to see if the camera will pick them up. I noticed them most on my solar panel because I got a little bit of dust. Let's see if those will show up on camera. Yeah, you can see that's how big it is. Put my finger on the other side. I don't know if you can see those little paw prints. There's another one up here, and then here, this one's kind of scuffed a little bit and removed the dust. And I don't know what that would be. It's big enough. Maybe a raccoon, possum, something nocturnal, obviously. But yeah, it was running back and forth on the van. I assume maybe they were getting a little scent through my roof vent there. Yeah, interesting, but it definitely woke me up and keep me woke up for a little bit. Just, you know, having something crawling on the van and shaking it. It was interesting. So anyway, that was my night. I'm going to get back in the van. It's a little chilly still. Let the sun warm things up. Get some coffee going. Well, it is time to break this camp. This has been an awesome spot. I was able to go up to the shower house and get a nice hot shower in. It's just been beautiful here, lakeside. The sun has come out. It's cleared up today. It's about 1 p.m. I was able to get a bunch of video editing done this morning, get a video scheduled for upload for you guys before I head out of here. I'm pretty sure I'm going into a no-cell zone for my next camp. So I got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out of here, drop some trash off, and fill up my water jugs on the way out. Pay my fee because the registration booth was closed yesterday and they do not have a drop box. So take care of that and we'll be on the road. The adventure continues. All right, here we go. Well, I believe the fee here is $12. Like I said, I've got to pay on the way out. Their registration booth is closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Well, paid my fee there. It was $14 for one night stay. I was able to take a hot shower and fill up my water jugs. We're gonna move on. I believe my next camp is a free campground. Away we go. Ozarks State Park. I didn't realize this is a state park. Looks like this is a popular boat ramp. A lot of trucks and trailers here. Wow, look at the lake. Honor Camping. Looks like they got a drop box. $7 fee. That's not bad. There, that'll have to work. Well, this is the spot here at McCubbins Point on Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri. This makes 5 lakeside camps in a row for me. Pretty awesome. I'll give you a shot here. See the lake through the trees there. So nice. We got a nice clear day today, blue skies. The air is a little cool. It feels good in the sunshine. So I'm just set up over here. I wasn't able to get very level, but this will work close enough. And a little picnic bench and a fire ring. The lake is right here. I'll take it. Well, it is time to pull out of this spot here at McCubbins Point on Lake of the Ozarks. It was $7 here to stay overnight. Very reasonable. It was a nice, quiet spot. Although the boat ramp is very popular, there's a lot of people pulling in here to use the boat ramp. It is time to ramble on. The adventure continues. It is time to pull on out of here. Yeah, this is a very popular boat ramp. That parking lot is full up. There was boaters here right up till dark last night. Got about 100 miles ahead of me for my drive today. Be on the road for a good couple hours. Staying off the interstates once again, which will be nice. I'm going in to visit my buddy, Darfirst. He was one of actually the first viewer subscriber that I have ever met up with since I was on the road. We met up, geez, it's been 3 years now. We're gonna do a weekend camp out at a campground right on the Missouri River. So we'll take you guys along for that. We're gonna try to do some mountain bike riding, possibly some fishing, have some campfires and cookouts. Should be a good time. I made it to my destination here in Columbia, Missouri. Picked up my buddy Darfirst. We are going to go camp out on the Missouri River at a campground called Coopers Landing. Not too far out from where we're at, so we're going to stop, hit up Walmart, get some food supplies, and we're going to do this.
Yeah, Coopers Landing is like a marina on the Missouri River, and it was part of the Lewis and Clark expedition, so
got it.
I think you'll like it.
Cool. We got the mountain bikes, so we're going to do some exploring by bike.
On the KATY Trail,
heck yeah,
which is an old railroad track.
So away we go. Adventure continues. Well, we'll give you a shot of the spot I ended up in. Pretty cool. We're right on the river's edge here. Actually got a spot with hookups. That's really all we could get. It's included. Got some stairs going right down to the river's edge here. Pretty awesome. And Darfirst is setting up his tent right across the way here. This is where our fire pit is, so he'll be sleeping in his little tent. How's the tent setup going?
Going pretty good.
All right. This is our big fire ring here. We got some firewood. Ended up getting a wheelbarrow full of firewood. We still got to go get it, or they're going to bring it over. Now a little picnic bench here. So this is our spot for the weekend. This will be base camp. There is a main trail that runs right by here. What's the trail called again?
KATY Trail.
The KATY Trail. So we'll be doing some mountain biking on this probably tomorrow. We're just going to kick back for the rest of the afternoon today. I've been doing a little bit of driving, so it's good to be settled down somewhere. I'm digging this spot. Real cool. Well, it is lunchtime. We've got some diced up onion and tomato, some pickles for the side. We're gonna do up these sausages here. Get some buns on there to heat up. Well, that is looking good. Be a nice little lunch here. Well, there's the finished product. I'd say it's looking pretty darn good. What do you think, man?
I think it's gonna be yummy.
Heck yeah, awesome. Well, they do have a music stage up here by the store at the campground. They had some live music last night. I didn't bring my camera up. I kind of spaced on that. But during the day, during the weekend, they have like an open mic, so we're going to go up and check that out. Kind of neat. They have a big community fire pit you can gather around to stay warm and listen to some live music. And they serve beer and sodas up there. It's pretty cool. I'm digging this place.
To the promised land, past drunken sailors at the bar. Waves are crashing on the shore. Broken wings, empty rooms, old guitars, silver spoons, stars a million miles away, leading to another the sea. Turn the page on yesterday, found it staring back at me. Turn the page on yesterday, found it staring back at me. Found it staring back at you and me.
All right, we're doing up my signature egg sandwiches. We got our toasted English muffins off to the side. Getting the bacon heated up. Eggs are just about done. Top it off with some cheese, maybe a little Cholula. Yum. Well, how is it? Do a little taste test?
It is very good.
Nice.
It's crispy and gooey. It's awesome.
Awesome.
Better than McDonald's, for sure.
Cool. You put a little Cholula on there, right?
Yes, I did.
Nice. All right, I gotta dig into mine. Well, it is time to pull out of our spot here at Coopers Landing. Thanks, Darfirst, for the recommendation and choosing this place. We had a good time, right?
Oh yeah, blast.
Good people here, the live music. They have open mic during the day and then an act for the evening time. They have the Thai food truck. We did that. Grilled up some food on the fire. It was just a good time. I needed to kind of just settle down for a weekend. And I've been, on the move, driving quite a bit. So very, very nice. We're getting up early. We had a little rain last night, so we're going to pack out early, and I'm going to continue on my journey. Thanks again, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to give a big thank you to my buddy Darfirst again for the great camp out over the weekend. Coopers Landing is a very special place. I just had a very organic kind of grassroots experience there. Of course, me and Darfirst had a blast, but I had a chance to talk with a lot of the locals, and it's just a very, very special place in Missouri. A lot of the folks that spend a lot of time there have been in the area for many generations, and just to hear their stories and get a little glimpse into their life was, for me, just a very unique experience. Very special memory that will stay with me for many years to come. So thanks again for watching. I hope everyone is doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.